in e-commerce, you just have to understand Facebook has built this brilliant model where they basically are the landlord of the internet and tax the whole lot. You have to understand how you have to work with that tax, and how good you can create content works out how much you're paying the tax. I thought most e-commerce founders were in the ad account every day, were understanding it, were building those daily stand-ups around it, always knew what was the number one creative in the business at all time. And then it blew my mind as I met others and they'd never even logged in before. And I think and especially as I've got to meet, as part of my exit journey, tons of different e-commerce founders, tons of different ones, there is a crazy, scary correlation between founders that are in the ad account and understand the fundamentals are the ones that are profitable, and the ones that are too high level and too far out, get a report from an agency once a month and flick through it and don't really, and then they're just shredding fucking money.
Yeah.
So has been a sort of eye-opener for me. And I think we're seeing a lot of consolidation in that there's not enough margin in there for you to have all this heavy in-house team, be paying an agency as well, paying the meta tax, not spending a lot on creative and content.